Welcome to Cool ACDC Solar Hybrid Air Conditioner. Cool on-grid hybrid solar air conditioner designed for low cost, easy installation, and a fast payback. This unique solar air conditioning technology requires no batteries, no inverter, no controller, just plug in the solar panels and start saving up to 95% on daytime cooling or heating costs. Jet cooling systems. Energy saving 80 to 95%. Low noise outdoor and indoor units. Cool ACDC Solar Hybrid Air Conditioner. During the day, it runs primarily on solar power and only uses small amounts of power from the utility provider as needed. ACDC Solar Hybrid operation eliminates the need for batteries and allows 24 hours per day use of the system. The system primarily uses solar power and mixes it with normal AC power. Example: 2-ton Cool ACDC aircon needs 6 solar panels. And 4 tons needs 10 to 12 solar panels only. For 24 hours. Cool ACDC solar air conditioners need no batteries. No controller, also can work with 2 PV panels to deliver huge savings. During the day, when air conditioning is needed the most, you can operate this unit with a very little draw on your utility meter. At night, you continue to save. Thanks for watching. The new generation eco-friendly aircon systems from Cool. For inquiries, email sales@freecoolsystems.com or info@freecoolsystems.com.